sofa in Spanish?
No, we don't do it in Spanish. I mean, we're replacing that word.
Welcome to episode 9 of our series. If you haven't checked out our series, look at it somewhere. Anyway. Anyways, so I'm Tony.
And my name is Agina. Let's talk about a few things in the house. We shall talk about the thing, whatever it is, and then we'll get a sentence on whatever it is, and we shall learn how to. So we start with a chair.
Mm-hmm.
A chair is called com.
Com.
So let's say I like to read on the chair. Ahero somo e com.
Ahero somo e com.
Ahero somo e com.
Ahero somo e com.
Kitchen is jokon.
Jokon.
My mother cooks in the kitchen translates to Minwa tedo e jokon.
Minwa tedo e jokon.
Minwa tedo e jokon.
Minwa tedo e jokon.
Bed is otanda. Anindo e otanda.
Anindo e otanda.
I'm sleeping on a bed. Anindo e otanda.
Anindo e otanda.
Anindo e otanda.
Anindo e
otanda.
It's hard to pronounce it when you don't pronounce
Just
it.
Just say it slowly. Anindo
otanda.
e otanda. Again.
Anino e otanda.
Anindo
e otanda.
Good. Anindo e otanda. Table is mesa. I eat dinner at the table. Achamo chiemb otieno e mesa.
Could you repeat that?
Achamo chiemb otieno e mesa. Let's go step by step. Achamo chiemb otieno.
Achamo chiemb otemo.
Achamo chiemb otieno.
Achamo chien otembo.
Listen to me. Achamo, say that.
Achamo
chiemb
otieno e
mesa.
Achamo chiemb otieno
e mesa. Achamo chiemb otieno.
Achamo chiemb otemo.
Achamo chiemb otieno.
Achamo chiemb otemo.
Now you're saying otemo and it's not otemo. Read this.
Achamo chiemb otieno e wi mesa.
Again.
Achamo chiemb otieno e wi mesa. Wi mesa.
Again.
Achamo
chiemb
otieno
e wi
mesa.
Good. Chair is com. Chair, com. Abet e com.
Abet e com.
That means I'm sitting on a chair, okay?
Okay.
Then umbrella, mabul. Wia owil kod mabul.
Wia owil kod mabul.
Wia owil kod mabul.
Wia omil kod mabul.
Wiya owil kod mabul.
Wia owil kod mabul.
So
I can't pronounce it right.
Wiya
Wia
owil.
owil
Will.
will
Owil.
owil
Owil.
owil
Owil.
owil
Kod mabul.
kod mabul.
Wiya owil kod mabul.
Wia owil kod mabul.
Good. That means I forgot my umbrella. Okay. Then the next one is door.
Door.
Door is dot.
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 Lorna dodno ka iye.
Lorno dod. Lorna.
Don't hurry. Lorna
Lorna
dodno
dodno
ka iye.
ka iye.
Lorna dodno ka iye.
Lorna dodno ka iye.
Lorna dodno ka iye.
Lorna dodno ka iye.
Good job. Now, the next one is I brush my teeth in the bathroom. Arudo laka e od luok.
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 So I brush my teeth in the
Bathroom.
Jenny dwa bedo ajuoga ka obet maduong'. So that means, okay, let's start again. So Jenny wants to be a doctor when she grows up. Jenny dwa bedo ajuoga ka obet maduong'.
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 Jenny dwa bedo ajuoga
Jenny dwa bedo ajuoga
ka obet maduong'.
ka obet maduong'.
Good.
So this is the end of the video. Today we are talking about certain words and their sentences. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Oriti, goodbye.